So this is how we use how we make our DIY face shields. And what I'm gonna do is, this is 5mm laminating pouch that you can get from Staples, and the laminating thermal laminator from Staples. We're just gonna run this through, because right now, you know, sometimes it takes a while for the plastic to get to us. So what this is not my original idea, and Edmund Liu, my friend, is and his team are also working on this. And you know, make sure it's 5mm. The 3mm, this I ran out of the 5mm, but I just want to show you how, you know, what it will look like. This is the 3mm, so it's a little bit thinner. Don't use the 3mm, use the 5mm, because if the 5mm, you can see that it's a whole lot thicker. So it will come out clear. It may not be perfect, but don't worry about it. It's at this point, anything to help protect, that they can, you know, they can wipe this after each use, and it will help prolong the prevent the splashes. So this is what we have. And then what I'm gonna do is I cut some foam. You can get this from Home Depot or any craft store, and you can go online also to see, you know, if they have it. And you just cut. You don't want to make it too thick. This is about 1 inch, and 1.5 inches, and 1 inch. And you're gonna hot glue gun, you know, this is my hot glue gun, and I'm just gonna glue this onto this. And I'm just using rubber band. The reason I use 3, you can use 2, but the reason I'm using 3 rubber band, this is the rubber bands I'm using. The rubber bands I'm using here. Or you can also use this, and then you just need 1. The reason I'm using 3 is that just in case someone needs to adjust it, they can adjust it. And when I mail this out it can be flat, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. So, you know, if you want to get into doing this, you go ahead and be careful with a hot glue gun. It's hot. You know, I burned my finger, you know, a little bit. So, you know, just hot glue this on, put this on, rubber band, tie this on, and then you have a mask that is ready to go. So today I'm going to be sending a lot of these to a doctor and her team in Washington State, and they're going to go out today.